Oh yeah.
Right back boy.
Oh yeah.
She was bullying.
What's up?
Fine.
Are you waiting for someone?
Yes.
You waiting for someone? Your guy?
No?
Your friend?
Yes.
Don't be annoyed there. My name is Kiss. What's your name?
Something.
Sumto. Actually, I am bored in my lodge. You get? So I'm looking for a lady, a fine girl, just like you, that will cheer me up. Just for some time. I don't know. Would you do that for me?
You're going to pay me now.
I'm gonna pay you.
Yeah.
Do it for free now.
No?
You benefit too, so I'm gonna buy you food.
No.
Are you saying no? Okay, so if I should pay you, how much would that be?
Pay me like 30K.
30K. That means you're going to sleep over.
No, I'm not doing that.
What do you mean by not saying no? But I go pay you 30K for just to to have fun with you.
I'm not sleeping over.
Then how many hours will you stay?
I don't know.
Okay, see, the thing is that I
No,
want you to stay over.
no, I can't sleep over.
You can't sleep over,
Yeah.
so that means you can be up to at least 12 hours. Eh? Okay, so you said 30,000.
Yeah.
Since you're not going to sleep over now, make it less,
No,
like
I'm not making it less. That's the amount.
30K. All right, it's fine.
Okay.
You don't chop.
No.
You go like chop, huh?
Yes.
Like, what do you want to eat?
Rice.
Rice, white rice,
No fried rice.
fried rice. Okay. Right now, give me your hand, Mugo. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Come close now, fine girl. See, you get what I want to tell you. Don't be annoyed. I was over there. You get see that Rarica over there, and I saw your shapes. I like it. What's your name?
Joy.
Joy. Okay, my name is Kiss. Nice to meet you. It looks like your mood changed when I said, "Oh yeah."
I don't understand. I was shocked. I was not expecting to hear it.
You're not expecting to hear it.
You just came at the next thing. Oh yeah, what is a yeah?
This sound that you normally make now. Come close.
Normally make from where to where.
Now sound way they make now. You don't forget
I don't forget.
when they
Then the what?
then they you go they do.
You're not serious.
I'm not serious.
You're not serious.
See, actually, I want to hear that soundtrack from you this night. No, I'm being serious.
Excuse me.
You said?
I don't understand.
No, I said I want to hear that soundtrack from you tonight. Oh yeah. You get? Calm down. I dey follow the talk. Come close now. You won't come out. I say I want to hear the soundtrack from you tonight. Just tell me how much will it cost? I will pay. Yes.
You pay.
Yes.
Any amount.
Not any amount. Just talk your price. I
My
will pay.
price. 150.
150.
Yeah.
Will it be okay?
Yeah.
150 is it for I would like me to sleep over. Make it stay over.
Only for the sound.
Only for
For the sound.
no problem. And you're staying over.
Um, if I'm staying over, you
Don't worry, I
add
go
it.
buy you food. Don't worry. Food, say food will go a long way. You know that one.
I'm
Now?
not hungry. You just give me the money.
The money,
250.
calm down. The price is not the problem. The problem is look at what I want. You go do the sound and we go enjoy ourselves tonight. Let's look over there. Are you sitting there? I lodge in that hotel. So I can actually, since you say you don't want to eat, I will drive you in my car. We'll go. Shall you get?
Make you transfer.
Calm down. I say money not be problem.
No, you transfer it first now.
Give me your number first. Give me your number. Good. All right.
No matter
yeah,
how
nothing.
short you are,
Nothing. Let's go.
you get out
Give me your
when
hand
you
now.
see the
No.
sky.
Give me. Come close. Come close. Remember, from today, from now
Yeah.
till tomorrow, I owe you. Sure, you know that.
Yeah, you know.
So give me your hand. Smile now. You can't date me in the look like this.